In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add music to Instagram stories and posts. Adding music is one of the easiest ways to make your content feel more engaging, polished, and fun. So let's walk through it step by step in a clear and simple way. First, open the Instagram app and make sure you're on the home screen. To start a story, swipe right from your main feed, or tap the plus icon and choose Story. This will open the camera screen where you can either record something new or choose an existing photo or video from your gallery. Take a quick moment to frame your shot, or pick a clip that really matches the mood you're going for, because the music will help enhance that feeling. Once you've chosen your photo or video, look for the sticker icon near the top of the screen. Tap that and you'll see a range of options appear. Here, select the music sticker. This is where you'll search for and add the track you want to use. Instagram will show you a list of popular songs, plus a search bar at the top. You can scroll through the suggestions, browse by mood or genre, or simply type in the name of a song or artist. When you tap on a track, Instagram will play a short preview so you can hear how it fits with your story. After selecting a song, you'll see a timeline that lets you choose which part of the track to use. Drag the slider left or right to find the exact moment that matches your visual. For example, you might want the beat to drop right when your video transitions or when something interesting happens on screen. You can also adjust the duration of the music clip within the limits Instagram allows for stories. Next, customize how the music appears on the screen. You can choose different text styles that display the song title and artist, or you can switch to a small album cover icon. Pinch and drag to move it around so it doesn't block anything important in your story. If you'd rather not have it visible, you can make it very small and tuck it into a corner. When everything looks and sounds right, tap the Your Story button to share it with all your followers, or send it directly to specific people. You can follow a very similar process when posting to your feed or reels, using the audio or music option before you publish. And that's how you add music to Instagram stories and posts.